Good morning, third graders. Welcome to our first week of Read Aloud. I've decided that we're going to pick up where we left off with our CCC Fables book. So we're going to be taking a look at a few more fables, one per day each week. We know that a fable is a special type of story that has animals as characters, and the whole goal of writing a fable is to teach a life lesson, which we can call a theme. So as I'm reading, doing our just short read aloud this week, I'd like you to think about, what do you think the theme of this story is? What is Arnold Lobel trying to teach us through his short stories where animals are kind of the main characters? So today we're going to read one of his fables called The Ducks and the Fox. And like I said, as I'm reading, try to think about, what life lesson do you think we can learn from this story? So here we go. It says, two duck sisters were waddling down the road to the pond for their morning swim. "This is a good road," said the first sister, "but I think, just for a change, we should find another route." "There are many other roads to lead to the pond." "No," said the second sister, "I do not agree. I really do not want to try a new way. This road makes me feel comfortable. I am accustomed to it." We know accustomed means I'm kind of used to it. One morning, the ducks met a fox sitting on the fence along the road. "Good morning, ladies," said the fox. "On your way to the pond, I suppose?" "Oh, yes," said the sisters. "We come along here every day." "Interesting," said the fox with a toothy smile. When the sun came up the next morning, the first sister said, "We are sure to meet that fox again if we go our usual way. I did not like his looks. Today is the day that we must find another road." "You are being just plain silly," said the second sister. "That fox smiled at us. He seemed most gentlemanly." The two ducks waddled down the same road to the pond. There was a fox sitting on the fence. This time he carried a sack. "Lovely ladies," said the fox. "I was expecting you. I'm glad that you have not disappointed me." Opening his sack, he jumped upon them. The sisters quacked and screamed. They flapped and flopped their wings. They flew home and bolted their door. The next morning, the two ducks did not want to go out. They rested at home to quiet their nerves. On the following day, they carefully searched for a new and different road. They found one, and it took them safely to the pond. All right, boys and girls, I want you to be thinking about, what do you think the life lesson is? What do you think the theme is for the fable, The Ducks and the Fox? If you want, you can pause this video and take a little bit of time to think about it. All right, let's take a look and see what Arnold Lobel feels is the main lesson or theme that we should learn from this story. Arnold Lobel said, "At times, a change of routine can be most healthful." And we know that healthful is a word that has a suffix at the end, full, which means full of health. So what do you think that means? At times, a change of routine can be most healthful. All right, boys and girls, this was Read Aloud for day number 1. I'm going to see you every day this week for a new fable. All right, we'll catch you soon.